Welcome to another Wednesday workshop from Dealer On. Providing the kind of customer service your customers expect can be difficult. Much of it involves repetitive tasks like answering the same questions or scheduling the same appointments. Even worse, call centers are error-prone and expensive, costing you not only time but lost revenue. Dealer On is proud to offer a solution in the form of Cyrus, a digital assistant ready to save you time and money while eliminating the need for clunky managed chat services. Cyrus Digital Assistant is powered by Pipestream's conversational UI. Pipestream is an industry leader in conversational AI who has developed digital assistants for major companies. Their conversational UI gives customers a digital assistant that can talk like a human being, one with infinite patience and impeccable manners, and a graphical interface that customers love. The conversational UI creates a rich and engaging experience for customers with visual widgets and unique branding to make the interface fun and intuitive. The unique conversational UI strengthens brand loyalty while deflecting call volume. Cyrus uses natural language processing to identify tone, sentiment, and even emojis. Customers can communicate easily in their natural tone, and Cyrus will understand and address their needs. Cyrus is connected to website inventory and specials, so it can answer specific sales-related questions and point customers in the direction of vehicles you've priced to move. With the power of trade pending, Cyrus can even assist your customers with the valuation of their trade-in. Let your digital assistant handle what can be an emotional experience for the customer. Cyrus gamifies the conversational experience with a variety of rich assets, including carousels, date pickers, sliders, and many more. The experience is fun and will keep customers engaged. Perhaps more importantly, Cyrus nudges users to provide lead information when they're most likely to do so, creating more opportunities for your sales team. Head over to dealeron.com to take your free demo and see what Cyrus can do for you. That's all the time we have this week, and thanks for watching.